This first segment is for women who are looking to reclaim their sexual health. If you experience discomfort during intercourse, listen to this. There's a new high-tech treatment that could help you. Here to tell us more this morning is Dr. Vincent VOCI with VOCI Plastic Surgery, along with registered nurse Kathy Davis. Good morning to both of you. Thanks so much for being here today.
Good morning, Colleen. Thank you.
All right, what we're talking about, this is what it's called, vaginal rejuvenation. Why would a woman want to consider this, Dr. VOCI? What is vaginal rejuvenation?
Vaginal rejuvenation, what we mean by that is correcting some of the problems that happen with aging and with vaginal births. Dryness of the vagina, especially, and it's much more common than I realized, is stress incontinence, which is involuntary leaking of urine.
So like if you cough or sneeze or laugh and you leak urine, you could be a candidate for this.
Absolutely. And what I found out is that more than 50% of women over the age of 50 suffer from this. Very quietly, very privately, no one knows about it.
Well, I think maybe they're embarrassed to talk about it. Is that why? Are they embarrassed to talk about it? Is that why they're suffering in silence?
If this were a male problem, it's all over the world.
Right, right.
Females are very private, very to themselves, so I was very surprised to hear that women suffer from dryness of the vagina, painful intercourse, and this involuntary leakage of urine. And it's cured by this treatment that's very, very comfortable, only takes 40 minutes. Kathy performs this in the office, and the results are instant.
Okay, so let's talk about it. The procedure is called THERMIva. What exactly is it for either one of you?
It's a radio frequency heat. And I'd rather use the word warm, because Kathy describes it as warm water feeling.
Okay.
It does not, it's very, very comfortable.
Right.
And it just takes 40 minutes, and you go right back to the gym, right back to work. Even sexual intercourse immediately afterwards is fine. And patients notice an instant result.
Really?
Instant.
That's amazing.
I talked to a patient last evening, and she told me that before treatment, she's 56, had children. She could not drive longer than an hour and a half without going to a restroom. After the first treatment, that increased to 3 hours. And there's 3 treatments, 1 month apart for 3 months. And after the third treatment, she can now drive and ride more than 8 hours without going to a restroom. Incredible. It changed her life. She said her lifestyle went from number 1 to 10.
That's remarkable.
Life-changing.
That's remarkable. How many treatments are needed?
3 treatments.
Okay.
And you really need to do all 3. It's really not optional.
Okay.
The results are longer lasting if you do all 3, and you just get a better result.
Okay. Again, let's talk about those results, the kinds of results women are going to see. You mentioned the one patient who now, as a result, is no longer leaking urine, right? Again, it restores moisture to the vagina. I'm sorry to be so blunt if this makes you uncomfortable, but but I think that's part of the problem. We need to talk about it.
Just by increasing the temperature, then the normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, and this just increases it to 42 to 45 briefly. And just that little increase in temperature, which feels like I said, warm stone massage or warm water, increases the integrity of the lining of the vagina. Even the external appearance improves dramatically with one treatment, instantly. And then, as Kathy said, it is truly amazing. And as Kathy said, you do 3, and that makes it long-lasting, and you get even more results.
Okay, who is a good candidate for THERMIva?
The patient who has those symptoms, and usually I said over 50% of women over the age of 50 because of vaginal childbirth and just the aging process. If they have painful intercourse because of dryness, or lack of orgasm because of lack of tightness, or that urinary leakage, it's involuntary, even just jumping, these women profit tremendously and instantly from this treatment.
It's remarkable.
Very remarkable.
Right?
I've been doing plastic surgery for a long time, improving patients' self-confidence and comfort, and it just amazes me how so quickly and with such almost no risk, this can be done to improve a patient's life from 1 to 10.
A 40-minute procedure. Again, it's totally comfortable. I know we're talking to a lot of you out there. If you'd like to learn more about THERMIva, Dr. VOCI is hosting 2 informational seminars. They're on Thursday, March 30th at 10 a.m. or 5:30 that afternoon. If you attend one of the seminars, you'll receive special pricing for the treatment. Call now to RSVP. Space is limited, so call now. The number is 704-333-8300. I'll say it again. The number to VOCI Plastic Surgery is 704-333-8300. Call now to reserve your spot. Learn more about THERMIva. It might be right for you. Kathy, thank you. Dr. VOCI, always a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Colleen.
All right.